Hey everyone, Mike Sherry back with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm reviewing, it's a 2018 Ram 1500. This has got four-wheel drive, just under 16,000 miles, 15,884 miles as of the shooting of this video. It's powered by the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. It's really well equipped as well. So I'm going to turn this camera around. I just got done backing up into my spot. You can see the backup monitor is on the 8.4 inch radio, AM FM Sirius radio controls here. Also has USB and Bluetooth connection. Does have heated seats up front here and heated leather wrapped steering wheel. Overall clean vehicle inside, power windows, power locks, automatic headlights, Uconnect hands-free cell phone control, so you can talk on this without touching your phone while driving down the road. It does have the cruise control here and gearing control, radio controls on the back side of here where my finger is on both sides of the steering wheel as well. It's four-wheel drive. You can put it in two-wheel drive, 4 low, 4 auto, and 4 lock, all right there. You can also control heated seats and steering wheel down here. It does have front and rear park sensors, so as you're backing up or pulling forward, it's going to warn you if you get close to maybe a kid's bicycle in the driveway. Heating and air conditioning controls here. And also does have a 110 plug right here, great for laptops, things of that sort. A little nook there for storage, and has a USB plug down there. And then this comes out, let's see here, for a little bit of glove compartment there. 3 beverage holders here. Again, everything looks really clean. Change holder, more USB hookups for charging and connectivity to that radio, and an auxiliary port. Now this console does flip up, and this is actually a 3rd seat, so this is a 6-passenger pickup truck. This is Bighorn package on it, which gives you some nice features outside. It does have a glove compartment above and below, and the factory books are still in it. It does have cloth seats. It's a really nice cloth. A lot of these vehicles in with cloth anymore, particularly on the General Motors side. I don't know what kind of cloth they use, but it really stains up well. You can tell this is a higher end cloth material here. Power window for the rear here. You push the button here and let's see here, open it goes. Not sure if that's catching that, but nice power rear window. Also has garage door programmable buttons right there, 3 of them. All right, let's check out the outside. Inside really looks good, drives good, brakes felt really good. This is certified pre-owned, so you still get remainder of factory warranty on this, but being a certified pre-owned, you actually get above what the factory warranty was, which originally has had 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain. Being certified pre-owned by Chrysler, which is something we add on the dealership here. It's an inspection process and various things that we do. But what it means for you is you get 7 years, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty on this. No additional cost to you either. So being a Bighorn, you get the chrome bumper, chrome insert on the grille there. It does have the park sensors. There's 6 of them up front here. Those are the little dimples that we see in the bumper. I don't see any scratches, dents, no big rock chips up here. Front windshield the same. I didn't see any rock chips or anything in it. It does have the nice chrome wheels. These are 20-inch wheels on that. Tire tread looks really good. Original tires, only just under 16,000 miles on them. This is a quad cab, so you get a little bit shorter cab, a little bit shorter overall pickup trucks, so it's going to be easier to maneuver. But still got an ample space back here in the rear. Seats still fold up. This comes down for a flat, cargo space to work off of there. The bed looks real good. I'd say very light use. Does have the park sensors back here, and this chrome bumper also is pre-wired 4 flat and 7 round for your trailers, and comes with a nice 2-inch receiver back here. Couple emblems back here. Bed does show some use, but I don't see other than just a little bit of scraping on the paint, rub marks more or less, which is going to be in a pickup truck. So great, handy to have around the house. Never know how much you need a pickup truck until you don't have one. I find that out often. Passenger side looks equally as good as the driver's side. Overall, inside out, really practically a new vehicle. So I appreciate you watching this review. I hope this helps in your purchasing decision. A couple more tools that I'll post below this video to help you. One is a finance tool to help you get pre-approved at a great rate and great payment. You can do all that before you come into the store. And also, if you're looking to upgrade, meaning you want to trade in a vehicle, we'd love to have it. We're paying top dollar for trade-ins right now, and I'll post a link of how to do that right from home as well. And also another link of maybe who we are, some reviews, and a link of this vehicle, current pricing, things of that sort. So with that, my name's Mike, and I'm signing out. Thanks for watching the video.